Did you know that the average American spends about 2.5 days each year looking for lost items due to clutter? Imagine the time and stress that could be saved by decluttering and organizing your life. Hello, and welcome to Modern Minimalism. In today's video, we'll delve into the ultimate guide on how to declutter and organize your life for a more stress-free and efficient lifestyle. Clutter isn't just about having a messy space. It can have profound effects on your mental health, productivity, and overall well-being. Studies show that living in a cluttered environment can increase stress levels and make it harder to focus and relax. Now let's dive into 10 practical tips to help you kickstart your decluttering journey. But before we get into that, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our helpful tips on organization. 1. Start small. Begin with one area at a time, whether it's your closet, desk, or digital files. Tackling smaller areas first can give you a sense of accomplishment and motivation to continue. 2. Declutter regularly. Make decluttering a habit by setting aside time each week or month to assess your belongings and let go of things you no longer need or use. 3. Use the KonMari method. Inspired by Marie Kondo, this method involves sorting items by category, like clothes, books, or kitchenware, and keeping only those that spark joy or have a practical purpose. 4. Create designated spaces. Give everything in your home or workspace a designated spot. This helps prevent clutter from accumulating and makes it easier to find things when you need them. 5. Digitize documents. Scan important papers and store them digitally to save physical space. Use cloud storage or external hard drives for easy access and organization. 6. Adopt minimalist decor. Opt for simple and functional furniture and decor items. Minimalist design not only looks clean, but also reduces visual clutter and promotes a sense of calm. 7. Practice the one-in, one-out rule. For every new item you bring into your space, get rid of something old or unused. This keeps clutter in check and prevents overcrowding. 8. Organize your digital life. Clean up your computer, email inbox, and smartphone regularly. Delete old files, unsubscribe from unnecessary newsletters, and organize digital folders for efficiency. For this information to reach out to more minimalists out there, kindly hit that like and subscribe button. 9. Donate or sell unwanted items. Instead of letting unused items gather dust, consider donating them to charity or selling them online. Someone else might find value in what you no longer need. 10. Seek professional help. If decluttering feels overwhelming or you're not sure where to start, don't hesitate to hire a professional organizer. They can offer personalized advice and support to help you achieve your decluttering goals. Now let's talk about the incredible benefits of decluttering. Not only will you experience increased focus and productivity, but you'll also reduce stress, improve time management, and create a more peaceful living environment. Decluttering and organizing your life is a powerful step toward a more fulfilling lifestyle. Remember to start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the benefits of a clutter-free space. I encourage you to share your decluttering journey in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Modern Minimalism for more helpful tips on organization.